Alright guys, I am very excited to share this with you guys today. Just like I said, forget about desk screener guys and jump into this platform. This platform has done something that is marvelous that has made me to give it a one, guys. I am going to be explaining this later on in this video, but in the meantime guys, if you really want to make money, in fact, why am I even saying this? There are a lot of money to be made this year guys, this year and beyond. There are a lot of money to be made, and trust me, most of this money to be made doesn't require you to do a lot of work. If you follow me duly, most of them will require you just to set up some things, relax and see the money coming. This particular platform guys, GMGN, is a game changer. It's a game changer, though it's not a financial advice. But guys, you know that what I do here on my channel is that I discover what works, then teach it to you guys, hoping you will do exact same thing I do to get exact same result. By the way, this is Smart Hustle YT, and I have told you what I do on my channel. So if this tickles your fancy, why don't you smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell for you to be receiving mind-blowing updates like this. Trust me guys, this is gonna blow your mind. Now, what is GMGN? Now guys, GMGN is a particular platform just like desk screener. But the major difference here is that you can do all these things you are seeing on the screen here, in which I don't think you can do the same on desk screener. If you look at your screen over here, you see that desk tools and desk screener is highlighted. And here on GMGN is telling you what it can do that desk screener cannot do. First of all, it has fast on chain. Desk screener cannot do that. You can also copy trade on gmgn.ai, but you can't do that on desk screener, which is the most important place. In fact, this is the place we are coming to in this video guys. All right, so look at other things. You can auto trade, trading, take profits and stop loss. You can do all these things in GMGN. In fact, GMGN is a full package guys. So without much further ado, I don't even want to waste a lot of your time here. Let us jump right into what we have today. So let's clear this. All right, now for you to get started on GMGN, just go to my description box. You are going to see the link over there. Click on it. It is going to lead you to here. I already have an account in this and it is in my Chrome, so that's why I decided to use another browser to show you guys. Okay, so because if I use the account I have on Chrome to do this, especially the one of the registration, it will be fluctuating. So after showing you guys about the registration, I will now go to my account on the Chrome browser. We continue the rest. Now when you come to this interface after clicking that link on my description box, how do you now get started? The first thing you need to do here, the first and foremost thing guys, is to click on this connect. All right, that is the place you connect your wallet, right? So whenever you visit GMGN, they assign an automatic wallet to you. But before you get started with that wallet, you need to first of all, link it with your Telegram. The bots they use in buying, most meme coins are embedded on Telegram, right? Such as bunk bots, other boats like that. Okay, so I don't just know why I'm forgetting them right now that I'm making this video. So let's click on connect here. Okay, immediately you click on connect, it says discover faster trading in second, blah blah blah. You click on connect. All right, immediately you click on that, it prompts you to start the bot from your Telegram, right? So what we are gonna do here is to, first of all, this one that is saying this site is trying to open Telegram, just click on cancel first of all. All right, just click on cancel. Then the next thing is you click on start bot. Immediately you click on start bot, you will get yourself here guys. You see, welcome to GMGN, fast on chain, click to trade, auto sell, those things it was telling you. Okay, now immediately you now come here. What is now required for you to do is to click on this particular place, this thing you are seeing here. You click on it, you're going to see this option. It is going to bring out all these options for you. Then you click on login on website. Immediately you click on it, it is going to bring out one particular option just like that for you guys. Then you tap on it and it returns you to your browser. Now join me, let us head over to my Chrome. Let me now show you my account. All right guys, now this is my Chrome guys. Now immediately you click on that particular thing I told you, you are going to be landed to here. You now start seeing your wallet address, and from the beginning you're going to be seeing that your wallet address will be 00 SOL. Okay, so you need to transfer some Solana into there before you start doing anything doable. You understand that? So now, before we dive into the copy trade aspect of Solana, remember I promised you guys that you are going to make a lot of money from this particular platform. If you know what you are doing, you can 10x any capital you used in coming here. You can double it, you can 10x it, you can 100x it. Just what is required here is your patience and your intelligence. Now let us continue. Okay, now looking at the interface, let me now explain a lot of things. Here you have your meme tab. All right, a lot of us knows what meme is. Okay, we know what meme is, Memecoins and the rest of that. Here you find them if you want to trade on your own. Okay, now here you have new pairs that are just launching. Okay, pairs that just launched now, that have not stayed for a longer period of time. Can you get out, your man? Okay, now the next one is trending. Okay, so you have trending over here. Trending are coins that are currently trending, coins that a lot of people are buying. Okay, so we have holding and we have follow. This follow over here are the people you are following. I have lots of traders that I'm following. So if I click on it, all right, you see the traders that I'm following, okay, what they're buying and the rest of that. I'm following this guy. So now the major thing I want us to look at here is copy trading. Copy trading. Here I want to teach you guys how to employ your money, leave it and allow it to start working for you. And the thing I love in this particular GMGN is that I have checked. I don't think the people you are copying here, I don't even think that is what you are paying them. Like, let's say for example, if you are copying people on Binance and Bybit, right, there are some fees you pay to them because you are copying them. Some of them takes like 10%, some of them takes 15% out of your profit. But here I have dealt with this, I have toyed around, I have checked a lot of things. I haven't seen any fee that are accrued to the traders that you are copying, and that is extremely marvelous. If there is, maybe I will still find it out. I'm just telling you my experiences here. So let us continue. Now, when you click on copy trading, the first place you're going to see is this rank. Okay, this rank. All right, so you're going to be seeing this. Okay, these are the people that you are supposed to copy. Okay, now the next thing, we're under copy trade and we're under rank. Under here you're going to see all. If you click on all, it brings everything. If you click on smart money, okay, it will show you the categories of traders under smart end. We have smart money also. We have pump smart money, right, which I have shown you. So you see that there are some traders in pump smart money that are also on ordinary smart money. So we have fresh wallet here. Okay, but the major place that is the best from my own research for you to pick the people you are going to be copying is this KOLVC. This is the place I found the best people that you are supposed to copy. Okay, so now let me teach you how to copy these guys. Let me teach you what to do immediately you come here. All right, now join me, let's do that. All right, now coming to here, as you can see, look at this first person. Look at his 7 days PNL. Okay, in 7 days he has succeeded in making 274%. Okay, just watch that. That simply means that if he started with $10, 274% of $10 should be around $30 plus. So in 30 days he succeeded in making this percent. Remember that there are gonna be losses and wins, but the major thing in trading is that your win exceeds your loss. And guys, as a pro trader, you should understand that anybody that makes 300% of his capital in 30 days is a good trader. And anybody that makes 274% of his capital in 7 days is also good. All right, so that is it. But though we have this kind of people, we can still click on it and then find out what he is really doing wrong or what he is really doing right. Okay, as you can see, in the last 7 days he made 100%. He has not lost even a single trade. Look at his PNL. Okay, look at total PNL, $52,000. That is what this guy over here is holding. Now unrealized PNL, look at the profits he's already in his trade, the profits that is already being accumulated. Okay, then there are certain other things. Okay, you look at the distribution and the rest of that. So from this, I think this particular guy is a very good guy to copy. Let's look at 30 days. Okay, his win rate in 30 days is 40%. Because of this, we can check other people, but it's still good, hence he made a good profit. So let's check others. Okay, so now look at this Gary. Look at this PNL in 1 day. Look at, it's huge, guys. So We are going to leave it, and then let's scroll down. Look at this particular guy. Okay, so we click on him. Let's look at what is happening. Okay, now 7 days PNL is 183% and win rate is 96. All right, so let's look at 30 days. 30 days. Okay, all right, 30 days is 96. Sorry, okay, 30 days is 95%, guys, and in 30 days he made plus 717%, and the win rate is 95%. So guys, this is the kind of people you are expected to copy. And as a matter of fact, I'm copying this guy. I will still show you I'm copying him, right? So I'm gonna leave the link of the people I'm copying in the description box. Guys, there are lots of money to be made. Just imagine giving people the work. Just give them the work and give them money to trade for you free of charge. You go and relax and keep enjoying the money. How marvelous is that, guys? Just relax on this video. I don't want you to jump out or be distracted. As you can see, my voice is very 100% alive on this. That's to show you that there is something about this platform that I want you guys to know. So now let's go back. So this is what you're going to be doing. Now, my advice to you on this type of thing is that you copy a trader that has at least passed 60% in the last 30 days. Okay, 60 to 70% in the last 30 days. Let's check this guy. Okay, this guy, they said he made in the last 7 days, all right, he made 55%. All right, let's leave him. Let's look at others. Okay, what about have we checked this guy? Okay, let's check this guy. Okay, so now in the last 7 days, this guy's win rate is 64%. Let's check 30 days. In the last 30 days, as you can see, guys, in the last 30 days this guy is 68%. Okay, so I can still come down a little bit for you guys. Just people that have made from 50% in last 30 days to 100%. You can even find a person that have made close to 90% on this platform in the last 30 days. That is, if he had put out 100 trade, he has won exclusively 98 of them. All right, so that is it. But in order not to waste you guys time, I am going to be leaving the link of the people I'm copying. Let me show you the people I'm copying and now tell you what happened here. So let us click on copy trade. You know, rank is where you get the people you are gonna copy, and when you click on copy trade, it brings out the people you are copying. So I post them to stop buying other coins so that I make this video for you guys. Now look at this. If I click here, I will start copying him again. Okay, if I want to edit to give him more instructions, okay, then I can click on edit. Then if I want to stop his trade, look at when I was testing it. Okay, I was testing it and I think that I made some mistake. I just clicked on stop and it stopped the trade. So the trades you have stopped will appear here like this in fainty looking, right? But the ones you are following will be sharp like this. So as you can see, these are the people I'm still copying here are the people I am copying before. So it's just mistake I made in copying them. That is why I stopped copying them. Then I started copying them here again. By the way, let's go back to this rank. Let's say that I want to copy a trader. Okay, if you want to copy a new trader, just like this guy, if you have checked this guy and this guy is good, what you're going to do is to click on copy. Somebody you are copying for the first time. Let me now teach you what to do here. All right, so you know I always give you direction as my lovely subscribers. Now the minimum amount I think that is best for you to copy here is as from $20 and above. But if we are talking from standard, we should be looking at $50, right? Now look at these options. Okay, let me explain what this option means. Now in this place you have max buy. It depends on how you want this trader to be buying for you. If you have like $50, you can assign $10 to this trader. You know, you come here, if you click on max buy, come here, you assign $10 to this guy. If this guy is buying coin and it reaches to $10, any other coin he buys, the platform will not buy for you. But the best option for you to use here is fixed amount, because in fixed amount you assign how much you want him to be buying for each trade. If he buys too much and you are not comfortable with it, you just pause him, right? That's how they do it. Okay, now if you are using like $20, what you're going to be assigning them for each trade is $1. To get $1, we can say let's say 0.01. Okay, that is not $1. 0.01. Okay, 0.08. All right, you keep doing it like this until you get $1. So okay, 3, 4. You see that? You can use this, or you say 5, something like that. You can use 1.21, okay, for each trade. if you are using $20. But if you are using $50, just assign them $2, right? So that they can buy enough coin that they can be using to trade for you. So that is it. Now, under here you have sell method. You have option of auto sell, you have option of not sell, and customize TP. If you want to sell when he has sold, then you click on auto sell, okay? Then if you don't want to sell when he has sold, you click on not sell. In not sell, you'll be the one that will be selling the coin yourself. If you want to take TP, okay? TP, take profit, right? If you want to set it, look at the place you set it. So you set, if the coin reaches to a certain percent in profit, close the trade for me. And here you set, if the coin reaches to a particular percent in loss, close the loss for me. All right. So, but here I normally use auto sell, though it is not that good for a beginner. Just use something like, take profit or not sell, okay? Because these traders, sometimes they leave a coin to multiply up to 10 times. And you that is seeing the profit, as a beginner, you might be tempted to take your profit. It is very normal. It is very normal. Once a coin has passed 100%, you are free to take profit from there. So if you want to be doing that, you set it on not sell, either not sell, or you set it on automatic take profit. So that if it reaches at 100%, you put it here, 100%. If it reaches at 100%, it sells it out for you. If it is going on a loss, you can put 30% on SL. If it reaches 30% loss, it closes the trade and leave others running. So here I use auto sell. After that, you just click on confirm. This is what you need. Immediately you click that, the trader will appear here. He will appear under here, all right, or above, just anywhere above or under. So he or she will appear there, and already he has started trading for you. Okay, after making this video for you guys, I restart all these things again for them to keep on trading for me. So guys, I started this with $100. I started it yesterday, guys, and in 24 hours these people have traded my money up to $135. I withdrew it immediately and left $35. This is 0.14552. So I left $35 for them to be using to trade. All right, so that is it. I purposely sold all the coin out. All right, when I was seeing my PNL to be 135, I quickly sold all the coins myself, then withdrew $100, and I want to set it back and assign them the $35 so that they continue trading with it. So that is it, guys. I hope you like this particular video. If you like something like this, go to the comment section and congratulate me for giving you what will change your life and your financial status. And guys, remember, play it safe. Don't be greedy, and this requires patience. Listen, for the fact that I made this particular amount of money within 24 hours doesn't show you will make the same thing. You might make your own profit in 10 days, you might make your profit in 5 days, you can even make your profit in 6 hours, you can even make your profit in 30 minutes, right? So I want you to have patience and follow it up. You can even make a loss, as the case may be, but that is not the case because I have tried the platform and it worked for me. I really know it will also work for you guys, my subscribers. So this is where I'm going to be coming to the last part of this video, and as for now, keep making money and see you guys on my next video.